Do you want to unleash your inner millionaire? Are you ready to take your financial future into your own hands? If that sounds like you, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of finance to help you carve out your path to success. We'll be exploring the ins and outs of investment strategies, giving you a leg up in navigating the complex financial terrain. We'll also delve into the power of wealth creation, revealing how you can turn your hard-earned money into a flourishing fortune. But we won't stop there. We'll also be cultivating the millionaire mindset, a crucial component of financial success. This mindset is more than just a desire for wealth. It's an understanding of how to sustain and grow that wealth over time. So buckle up and get ready for a thrilling journey through the realm of personal finance. Stay tuned to discover the secrets of personal financial success that every aspiring millionaire needs to know. The first step towards financial freedom is understanding investments. Let's take a moment to break down what this really means. Investments are all about putting your money to work. It's about buying assets that you believe will increase in value over time, generating a return. This could be anything from stocks and bonds to real estate and mutual funds. But the key to investment success is not just about picking winners. It's about managing risk. And that's where diversification comes in. Diversification is the practice of spreading your investments across different types of assets. Think of it like not putting all your eggs in one basket. It's a way to protect your wealth by reducing the impact of any single investment going wrong. If one asset type is performing poorly, another might be doing well, balancing out your overall return. Now let's delve a bit deeper into the types of investments. Stocks, bonds, and mutual funds are the most common types. Stocks represent ownership in a company and can offer high returns, but also come with higher risk. Bonds, on the other hand, are considered safer as they represent a loan to a company or government with the promise of regular interest payments. Mutual funds are a way to buy a diverse range of stocks or bonds in one package, which can be a great way for beginners to start diversifying their portfolio. Choosing the right investment strategy involves assessing your risk tolerance and financial goals. Are you comfortable with high-risk, high-return investments, or do you prefer a slow and steady growth? Are you investing for retirement, a down payment on a house, or your child's education? These questions will guide your investment decisions and help you develop a strategy that suits your personal financial journey. Remember, investing is not about quick wins. It's about building long-term wealth. It's about having the patience and discipline to stick to your strategy, even when the market is volatile. It's about making your money work for you, so you can achieve your financial goals and unleash your inner millionaire. Stay tuned for more tips on how to harness the power of wealth creation. Now that you understand investments, it's time to harness the power of wealth creation. This is the process of building up a substantial amount of capital over a period of time through careful and strategic financial planning. The backbone of wealth creation lies in two simple yet powerful concepts: saving and investing early. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. As it picks up speed, it also picks up more snow, growing larger and larger. This is the essence of saving and investing early. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow, to compound, to become a larger snowball. This is the magic of compound interest, a force so potent that Albert Einstein himself once called it the eighth wonder of the world. But how does compound interest work? Simply put, it's earning interest on your interest. If you invest $1,000 at an interest rate of 5%, after 1 year you'll have $1,050. The next year you'll earn interest not just on your original $1,000 but also on that extra $50. Over time, this process accelerates and your wealth grows faster and faster, just like that snowball rolling down the hill. Now, let's talk about passive income. This is money that you earn without having to actively work for it. It could come from rental income, dividends from investments, or royalties from a book you've written. The beauty of passive income is that it allows you to make money while you sleep, freeing up your time to focus on other wealth-building strategies. Remember, wealth creation is not about getting rich quick. It's a long-term game. It's about making small, smart financial decisions consistently over time, allowing your wealth to accumulate and compound. It's about building a financial foundation that can support you, not just in the present, but far into the future. Wealth creation is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making smart financial decisions consistently over time. But understanding investments and wealth creation is not enough. You also need to cultivate the millionaire mindset. This mindset isn't about aspiring to sip champagne on a yacht. It's about transforming the way you think about money, wealth, and success. It's about adopting a perspective that sees opportunities, not obstacles, challenges, not roadblocks, solutions, not problems. The millionaire mindset starts with setting clear financial goals. It's not enough to say, I want to be rich. You need to be specific. How much money do you want to have in your bank account in 5 years? 10 years? What kind of lifestyle do you want to live? How will you generate this wealth? The more detailed and clear your goals are, the more likely you are to achieve them. But setting goals is just the beginning. To cultivate the millionaire mindset, you must also commit to continuous learning and personal growth. Wealth isn't just about money, it's about understanding the world, the economy, and how they interact. It's about acquiring knowledge and skills that can open doors to new opportunities. And then there's the element of risk. Many of us are taught to avoid risk, but the millionaire mindset sees risk differently. It sees calculated risks as opportunities for growth and advancement. It understands that without risk, there is no reward. But here's the important thing. Taking calculated risks doesn't mean throwing caution to the wind. It means doing your homework, understanding the potential downsides, and making informed decisions. It means knowing when to hold back and when to leap forward. Above all, cultivating the millionaire mindset means believing in yourself. It means trusting your instincts, your knowledge, and your ability to navigate through life's financial ups and downs. It means understanding that you have the power to shape your financial destiny. So remember, the journey to wealth isn't just about numbers and dollar signs. It's about mindset. It's about perspective. It's about attitude. Your mindset is your most powerful tool. Use it to your advantage. Scene script. Let's dive into some practical finance tips that can catapult you towards your financial goals. First up, budgeting. It's not the most glamorous aspect of finance, but it's arguably one of the most critical. When we talk about budgeting, we're not just talking about tracking where your money goes. We're talking about a plan for every dollar that comes in. It's about being proactive with your money, not reactive. So start by listing out your monthly income and expenses. Then allocate a purpose to every dollar. Remember, it's not about restriction, it's about control. Next, let's talk about reducing unnecessary expenses. Now, this doesn't mean you need to live a life of austerity. It's about making smart choices. Ask yourself, do you need that daily latte? Or could that money be better spent elsewhere? It's not about depriving yourself, it's about prioritizing. So take a look at your expenses and start cutting back on the things that aren't adding value to your life. Now let's shift gears a little and talk about increasing income streams. Relying on a single income stream can be risky. Diversifying your income can not only provide a safety net in case one stream dries up, but it can also accelerate your journey towards your financial goals. Think about what skills or resources you have that could be turned into a side hustle or passive income stream. It could be anything from freelance work to investing in real estate. Finally, it's crucial to regularly review and adjust your financial plans. The world of finance is dynamic and ever-changing. What worked for you last year might not work this year. Regularly reviewing your financial plans allows you to make adjustments as needed and ensures you're always moving in the right direction. To wrap up, let's revisit these tips. These tips are not a one-size-fits-all solution. They're tools. And like any tool, they're most effective when used correctly. So take these tips, adapt them to your situation, and start applying them today. Remember, every financial decision you make brings you one step closer to or further from your goals. Choose wisely. In this video, we've covered a lot of ground. We've journeyed together through the vast landscape of financial literacy, exploring some of the most essential aspects of wealth creation and success. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned. We started by understanding investments. We discovered that investing is more than just stashing money away. It's about making your money work for you. We delved into various investment strategies, learning that diversification is key, and that patience really is a virtue when it comes to seeing returns. Then, we moved on to harnessing the power of wealth creation. We learned the importance of multiple income streams and the magic of compound interest. We discussed how wealth isn't just about accumulation, but also about preservation and growth. We also explored the mindset of a millionaire. We talked about how cultivating a positive and proactive attitude towards money can make a world of difference. We learned that successful people aren't just lucky, they're disciplined, persistent, and always eager to learn. Lastly, we offered some practical finance tips. We emphasized the importance of living within your means, of saving before spending, and of constantly educating yourself about financial matters. We reminded you that it's okay to start small, and that every little bit adds up in the journey towards financial freedom. So, there you have it, a whirlwind tour of financial literacy, packed with tips and strategies to help you succeed. But remember, all this knowledge means nothing if it's not put into practice. Now you are equipped with the knowledge and tools to unleash your inner millionaire. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Take that step today. Don't wait for tomorrow, next week, or next year. The time to start building your wealth, to start creating your success story is now. Seize the day and let your journey to financial success begin.